Okay, moment of truth then. Everything has been tidied up. I've tidied up all of the back of the camper, everything around the garage, so there's no fiberglass anywhere, there's no plaster anywhere. Everything's done. I'm drinking tea, not alcohol, and it's gone off. So now we've just got to try and break it open and see what we end up with. I feel like an expectant father all over again. And I've got a bit of fiberglass in my finger. However, making the right sort of noises. Ooh, not all of the way around. Okay, that's as much as I can do with my fingers. Oh, I hope this works. Now, I wasn't going to speed this video up like I have done with the rest because it'd be quite nice to break it out with you, but to be fair, it might take some time, so bear with me. Maybe we should have a drum roll or something like that. Well, it's broken off down this side. It hasn't broken off down the middle of this side. Oh, it doesn't appear to want to either. Hammer, that's what we need. Looks good so far, looks good so far. That's just a matter of getting the back end off. We have a seat unit. Oh, look at that. It's really late. I want to get the grinder out and grind off all of the excess and put it on the bike and see what it actually looks like. But what do you reckon? Do you reckon the neighbours are mind? They're probably asleep anyway, aren't they? Let's grind some of the excess off and then we'll have a proper look at it. Okay, so I've just ground, no one's complained, which is great. So just ground one, roughly got rid of all of the excess of it and this bit around the front because we've got to get rid of that to fit it. Oh, look at it. It's fantastic. It's almost perfect. There's one problem with it. I say problem. It's a bit of a shame, really. If you look, you can see just there, just around the rear light, tiny little, it's like a chip almost, but it's obviously the resin was pulled off. Which is a bit of a shame, really, but obviously we'll be able to get rid of that with a little bit of filler or something like that, I guess. Just started rubbing down where the two moulds meet, and that's great. That will come off easily enough. Oh, fantastic! Absolutely brilliant. We made another seat unit. Love it, love it. Should we just put it on the bike and see what it looks like? Let's do it. It might look crap. Are you there? Right. Don't fall off of there because I'll be really pissed off if the phone breaks. Seat unit, motorbike. Ooh. Right, okay, I've got a loom coming out of the frame here, and the seat unit's catching on the loom. Right. I don't want to force it down any more than that. Okay, well that's roughly on there. What do you think? Let's have a look. Look at it. Now bear in mind this is not, as you can see, it's not in properly yet. You know what, I reckon that looks alright. I was a bit worried it was going to look too big for the bike. It does look big actually on the camera from here, but you have to bear in mind you never get a true reflection on a phone, on a camera, do you? Oh, isn't she beautiful? I haven't properly looked at it for a long time, you know. It's been under a sheet. Gorgeous. Got to get it back on the road. You know what? I think that's nice. I quite like that. I think that is. I think that is going to look the part. Well, it's got a bit of paint on it, and we've got it on there properly. Yeah. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Very, very happy with that. What a shame about this little... You see it, look, a little chip just there. Never mind. Never mind, that's not too bad, is it? We can deal with that. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. You know what we've got to do now? We've got to sort out the lights. Now how long the front indicators took to do, we've got to figure out what we're going to do with the rear. Nothing quite as funky as the front, but what I don't want are indicators sticking out the side. And remember why I had the twin lights. I had the twin lights in the first place just so I could put the indicators in them. Now we've only got one, so we can't do it. I've got a few ideas. Whether they will work or not, I do not know. But, okay, I'm going to post this just so you can see what we've made and that we're still making progress with it. Brilliant. Brilliant. Next time I see it, what I'm going to do, I think, I'll probably rub it all down, make it all nice and smooth. And then we'll start looking at the indicators, what we're going to do with the lights and the indicators on it. Okie doke, I'll speak to you soon. Speak to you soon.